But this is how the Carbon Series sounds on a 600. And that's your guy right here, the man of the hour, Rick Sutton. He will have you sounding great. Hit that thing a couple times real quick, let the people. I think you know what? I think I learned how to do. I think you gotta put it in neutral. I think that's the only way to kind of let you do it. Then again, it still might not let you do it.
It ain't gonna let you do it.
Nah, he ain't going neutral. He's still in reverse. You gotta go like, it's like in between. Huh?
It won't let you when it's running though.
Nah, you have to. Nah, you can go in neutral when it's running. It's just hard to do with your foot because you gotta find that groove.